In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on NVIDIA Shield. So let's get started. Now here we have two methods, okay? So the first method is to install Stremio from the Google Play Store, and this is basically the easiest method, okay? Now your NVIDIA Shield runs Android TV, and Stremio has an official Android TV version, okay? So first of all, you'll have to open your NVIDIA Shield. Then you'll have to go ahead to Google Play Store or just click on Get More Apps. Then search up Stremio, select the Stremio app and then install it, okay? Then you can obviously log in and that's it, okay? Now, some regions or devices don't show Stremio in Play Store, okay? Now, in that case, this method number 2 comes in, okay? So on your Shield, you'll have to go ahead and download this app, okay? The name of this app is Downloader app, okay? So just go ahead and search Downloader. I'll just go ahead and type it here. Downloader, okay? So just go ahead and type that in Google Play Store and download this app. Then you'll have to open it up. So when you open it up, it should look something like this. Now here in the URL section, you should go ahead and type in the following: streamio.com/downloads, okay? And then you'll have to scroll down to the Android TV, which has an extension of .apk. From there, download and install, okay? If it asks for install from unknown sources, allow it for the downloader app, okay? So alright guys, that's basically it on how you can download Stremio on NVIDIA Shield. I hope that this video has helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.